Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be factory resetting this iPhone. I'm going to be showing you two methods for doing this. The first is going to be if you have a passcode and can actually get into the phone. And the second is going to be a hard reset to factory defaults without having a passcode, meaning the phone is locked and you can't get in. Very simple process, let's do it right now. Okay, so for our first tutorial, basically I'm going to be showing you really quickly how to do this if you can get into your phone, meaning it's not locked with a password. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go to the settings feature right here. And then once you're in your settings, we can actually scroll down to general. I'm going to click on that. And then we can actually scroll down here to reset. You can see it's the last option down here. I'm going to actually click on that. And you can see you're going to get all sorts of options here. You can reset all settings, reset all content and settings, network settings, all of these different options if you just want to do very specific default restorations. So for our specific function, what I do is I'd hit the erase all content and settings. This is going to give you a notification that all of your data is going to be lost and needs to be backed up if you want to save any of it. And then you can go ahead and hit the erase now. I'm going to cancel this because I want to actually do a factory default reboot if for some reason you don't have a passcode. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so for this specific reset, what you're going to need is your lightning cable as well as a Mac laptop. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this USB, the end of the USB here, into a USB port on my MacBook Air. Okay, with your phone plugged in, we're actually going to have to manually force this. Again, this is without the passcode. We're going to manually force this into a sync mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the power button and the home button down at the exact same time, and we're going to hold it for roughly 10 seconds. You're going to see this phone go blank, keep holding, and in a minute here, you're going to see an iPhone cable function come up. There's our Apple symbol, and we're going to keep holding. And there you go. So now we have forced it into that sync mode. You can see it's a cable and then again the iTunes icon there. At this point, we are ready now to jump onto the computer and work with software on our Mac. Okay, we're currently on my MacBook Air, and what I've done is I've opened up a Finder window. Now this actually automatically popped up when I had my phone into that pairing mode. And if you're working with an older operating system, you may need to go directly to iTunes. I'm at a level now where actually iTunes has switched to Apple Music. So all this is going to be done within this Finder window. So immediately we have this option that says, hey, do you want to update this or do you want to restore? Now again, I want to do a factory restore, so I'm going to click on that button. And then you can see we go straight into the recovery mode option. And again, I'm going to click on Restore iPhone. Now, remember that all of your data on this phone is going to be reset to its factory default settings. So again, you have to understand that going about this forcible reset will eliminate all data that you've put onto that phone. So when you're ready to do that, go ahead and click the Restore and Update. You're going to have to walk through a couple of confirmation, including an agreement. And then again, it's asking you, hey, are you sure you want to do this? So we're going to click on that one more time. Okay, at this point, the phone is going to go into a reboot to factory default settings mode. This can take a little while depending on how much data you have. I've had similar processes go as long as 15 to 20 minutes. Again, just be patient, keep an eye on this little status bar, and I'll be right back with you to show you kind of the process as it goes along. So the phone actually rebooted. You're going to get this Apple symbol come on, and then you're actually going to get a status bar that lights up down there at the right below it. So again, give it another few minutes while that restores its original software. So once the factory settings have been restored, it's going to walk through one more reboot. Let me show you what that looks like on the phone. Okay, we're now on our second status bar. This is after the phone has rebooted. Once the first status bar was going, this is just, again, a really quick reboot. So let it do its thing and we'll be right back. Okay, and after that status bar indicating the phone is rebooted, you can see we go straight to that hello screen. This is now ready for setup with a new user. Friends, I hope that has helped. If it has, would you guys please hit that thumbs up button? It lets us know we're making helpful videos. You guys also might want to subscribe as we have a lot more tech tutorial videos coming up really soon. Thanks so much for watching.